Welcome back to Broke SEDC, home of the working stiffs everyday carry. So, I got a message last Friday uh, from O'Brien F over on Insta talking about the surprising quality of this Monikala. I I just have no idea how to pronounce that. Monica Allah, Monikala. So we'll go with that. And he was showing the G10 version, and on Amazon, I think they're like $24. And as soon as I didn't hesitate after seeing this thing, I pulled it up on Amazon, and they have a titanium version that was $34. So I had to pop on it, and man, thanks. No, not to mention, man, the packaging on these was very surprising. Nice little box. Soak that in. I mean, this thing is surprising for the price range. Not to mention the 14C blade here. It's Sandvik. Uh, Speed holes right out the gates. Open construction. Deep carry pocket clip. It's got a little bit of girth to it, a little weight. We'll get through them details, but I mean, first impression, this thing is very surprising for $35. The only thing that aggravated me is Amazon. I wished I could have got it shipped quicker, because I wanted to get my hands on it faster. The video he sent me really popped on that. I mean, just looking at it, we're looking at a almost a 3.5 inch blade. Kind of like a drop point with a multiple grind in it. Looks like a little bit of a hollow grind here, and then it kind of almost like goes to a flat grind deal there. Good and sharp blade. I don't think I got anything here handy. Yeah, I can always find something to try to cut on. So, I mean, yeah, it's a slicer, man, right out the box. Action, pretty good. It feels like it's really set up for the flipper tab. Uh, Not a lot of. I mean, you really got to get. It just does not want to break that detent on that thumb stud just with a flick. Might try to get into it and tune that a little bit, but great action on the flipper. To be honest, it feels like a sturdy, good-looking work knife. Not really super fidget friendly, but I think this thing is ready to get some work done. I mean, it locks up good and tight. Let's see here. Oh yeah, all four fingers good. Got that little curve in the back that really holds the fingers in there. A little deep jimping to really bear down on it. You really got a solid piece here, and I mean $34. 4.4 inch on the handle length. Overall, it's 7.9. So I mean we're almost 8 inches total. That blade hardness comes in at 58 to 60 HRC, and like I said on that Sandvik, the one 14C28N. At that price, man, you're really getting something, especially titanium handles. And I mean, comes in at 4.16 ounces, so it's going to be a decent carry. I mean, it's not too heavy, not too light. Good action on it, and it is a super budget find. I know they're still available on. I know the titanium sold out right now. Uh, Before I went to make this video, the G10s were still available. They're only like 24 something bucks. And then there's also a carbon fiber model that I would like to try to get my hands on that. I think it was in the 30 range. But titanium handle, uh, 114C or 14C blade steel, under 40 bucks. Good sharp blade route. I mean, solid feeling construction. I don't think there is any go wrong on this. They're calling it, look back through, Assault Team 1 is the titanium. Assault Team number 2 looks like that's the carbon fiber, and the Assault Team 3 is like a textured G10. I think they're all. Like I said, I know the titanium's sold out right now, but I would keep a definite lookout for when these come back in, because it's definitely a must grab if you're into the budget knife and you want something that you wouldn't be scared to beat on a little bit. This thing, man, I think honestly, I'm gonna think about trying to doll this up, maybe. Really look at it and see if I can get that action a little bit better. But I mean, it's a good solid action. It's not. I'm not. It's just not a super fidgety knife. Maybe it just needs a little work. But I mean, that blade is good and sharp. It's got some interesting curvature to it. And at that price point, it's a damn winner. I mean, there's no way around it. Run out, grab you one if I ain't pronouncing it right, and I'll throw a link to it in the video, but it's a must-have. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Throw a comment out there. Stay sharp, stay safe.